Welcome to DeltStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix registry issues in Windows 11 quickly and safely so you can avoid system errors and improve performance. First, before changing anything, create a system restore point. This is important because registry controls core Windows settings and one wrong change can cause problems. Now press Windows R, type regedit, and open the Registry Editor as administrator. If you are facing a specific issue, try using the search function inside the Registry Editor to locate the corrupted or problematic entry. When you find a specific entry, carefully delete or modify it only if you are sure it belongs to the issue. Do not randomly edit values. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow. This helps repair corrupted system files linked to registry errors. After that, run DISM commands to restore system health and fix debug corruption issues that affect the registry. Type DISM /online/cleanup-image/checkhealth and click Enter. Finally, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Most registry problems in Windows 11 are fixed after these steps. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.